In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Miro AI to speed up your workflow and turn ideas into structured content directly on your board. If you use Miro for brainstorming, planning, workshops, or team collaboration, this feature can save you a huge amount of time by generating diagrams, summaries, sticky notes, and documents for you. We'll walk through exactly where to find Miro AI, how to use prompts effectively, and how to get the best results from it. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if you find this helpful, and subscribe for more software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Miro board where you want to use AI. This can be a blank board or one that already has content on it. Miro AI works directly inside the board, so there's no need to open a separate tool or window. To access Miro AI, look just above the toolbar on the left side of your screen and click the button labeled Create with AI. This opens the main Miro AI panel, where you can choose what you want the AI to help you with. Depending on your board and your plan, you may see options like generating ideas, creating diagrams, summarizing content, or turning notes into structured layouts. Another way to access Miro AI is through the context menu. If you already have elements on your board, such as sticky notes, text, or shapes, you can select them, right-click, and look for AI-related options. This is especially useful if you want to refine, summarize, or digitize existing work instead of starting from scratch. Once the Miro AI panel is open, the next step is choosing the functionality you want to perform. For example, you might want to generate brainstorming ideas, visualize a process as a diagram, summarize a long block of notes, or turn rough ideas into clean sticky notes. After selecting the functionality, you'll see a prompt field on the right side. This is where you tell Miro AI exactly what you want it to do. You can type your prompt directly into this field. When writing prompts, keep in mind that detailed prompts usually give you more precise and useful results. For example, instead of saying, create a diagram, you could say, create a simple flowchart showing the steps of a customer onboarding process for a SaaS product. On the other hand, shorter prompts give the AI more creative freedom, which can be helpful when you're brainstorming or exploring ideas. After you've entered your prompt, simply hit enter. Miro AI will take a few moments to process your request. You'll see it generating content directly on the canvas. This could be a set of sticky notes, a structured diagram, or a block of organized text, depending on what you asked for. Once the content appears, you can edit it just like anything else in Miro. You can move elements around, change text, add colors, or combine AI-generated content with your own ideas. If the result isn't exactly what you want, you can run another prompt, refine your instructions, or regenerate content until it fits your needs. A great tip here is to treat Miro AI as a collaborator rather than a final answer machine. Use it to speed up the first draft, then adjust and customize the output so it matches your workflow or presentation style. Miro AI is especially powerful for workshops, team planning sessions, and early-stage ideation, where getting ideas onto the board quickly really matters. And that's all there is to using Miro AI. You now know where to find it, how to prompt it effectively, and how to turn AI-generated content into something useful for your projects. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.